Weather Service. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Franklin, Fulton, and York. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Wednesday morning through Thursday morning. Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations in excess of 12 inches possible. The areas affected include Huntingdon, Mifflin, Juniata, Perry, and Schuylkill counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from Wednesday morning through Thursday morning. Impacts: heavy snow may make for very difficult to impossible travel conditions, particularly for the Wednesday evening commute and Wednesday night. Additional details: bands of heavy snow creating snowfall rates in excess of 2 inches per hour are likely Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. There is the potential for significant winter weather that may impact travel. Review winter weather safety and preparedness information at weathergovernor/winter. The latest forecast information can be found on the National Weather Service State College Facebook page and Twitter at NWSSTATECOLLEGE or on the web at weathergovernor/CTP. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Maryland: Carroll, Central and Eastern Allegheny, Extreme Western Allegheny, Frederick, Garrett, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Hartford, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, and Washington, and the following counties in Virginia: Augusta, Central Virginia, Blue Ridge, Clark, Eastern Highland, Eastern Loudoun, Frederick, Northern Fauquier, Northern Virginia, Blue Ridge, Page, Rappahannock, Rockingham, Shenandoah, Warren, Western Highland, and Western Loudoun, and the following counties in West Virginia: Berkeley, Eastern Grant, Eastern Mineral, Eastern Pendleton, Hampshire, Hardy, Jefferson, Morgan, Western Grant, Western Mineral, and Western Pendleton. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Wednesday morning through late Wednesday night. Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations greater than 8 inches possible. The areas affected include portions of central, north central, northern and western Maryland, central, northern, northwest and western Virginia, and eastern and panhandle West Virginia. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from Wednesday morning through late Wednesday night. Snow will most likely overspread the area later Wednesday morning into Wednesday afternoon. The heaviest snow is most likely late Wednesday afternoon through Wednesday evening.
Right over it around here.
Potential impacts include significant travel delays and closures. Plan ahead to minimize impact on you and your family. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on the situation. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Maryland, and the following counties in Virginia: Albemarle, Culpeper,
Late drizzle.
Greene,
Maybe Maryland,
Nelson,
where we live.
William, Manassas,
Ooh,
Manassas Park,
heavy
and Southern
snow.
Frontier.
Woo!
Winter storm watch in effect from Wednesday
Also,
morning through late
hazardous
Wednesday
weather
night.
outlook.
Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations greater than 5 inches
So,
possible.
here's our local
The
weather.
areas affected include portions of
Rain,
central Maryland as well as
clear,
portions northern and central Virginia. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from
storm
Wednesday
watch.
morning through late Wednesday night. Snow will most likely overspread the area later.